Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to receive cryptocurrency in Ambire Wallet. Ambire Wallet is a secure crypto wallet that allows you to manage, send and receive cryptocurrencies easily. If you want to receive crypto in your Ambire Wallet on your laptop, it is important to know how to get your wallet address safely and share it with others. And in this guide I'll show you exactly how to do it. So first open any of the browser, and in the top there's an address bar. Beside it we can find this extension. Click into this extension here, then go to this Ambire Wallet. Over here, once you reach into this official dashboard of the Ambire Wallet, we can find this option. There's a swap and bridge just beside the send. You can simply select to this. Over here you need to select to the receive. You need to select the token here. Copy your wallet address and double check the address. Sending crypto to the wrong address can cause the permanent loss. You can also use a QR code if the sender is scanning it. Only share your wallet address with trusted parties or the source sending your crypto. Never share your recovery phrase. Only the wallet address is necessary to receive funds. And after that you can simply select to this proceed, and once the sender transfers the crypto you can check your wallet dashboard to see the update balance. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to receive cryptocurrency in Ambire Wallet. If you have any queries or questions, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.